Hi guys, it's Peggy Lee, and I thought I would just share with you how I glitter my primitive icicles. In my tote right now, I have a bunch of jingle bells. I bought, see if I can find it here on my desk. I bought this little thing. It was actually, it had this on it. Let me show you. It had, it was filled with jingle bells and it had this on it. And it came like that. These are like mini jingle bells and they're really hard to find up here where I live in the North Country. So for $1.25, I got all of these. So, and the wire is actually really good wire. So I took about 20 off of here and I painted them. I gessoed them white and then I did Mod Podge with some glitter. Now I didn't have the super fine clear glitter is what I wanted, but I've been using my kind of like medium chunky grade glitter that I use on everything. If I had a super fine clear glitter, it would have worked so much better, but gotta go with what you got, right? So we're gonna take some Mod Podge and so take your Mod Podge, you're going to need your glitter. And then I have all these little primitive icicles. These are 6 inches long, or the wire is 6 inches. I think the icicle ends up being about 5 inches maybe. And this was made with coffee dyed cotton batting. And I just coffee dyed my batting and then I cut tiny little strips out of the batting and then hot glued them on the wire after I rusted the wire. So now I'm just going to add some glitter to them. So it's really, really simple actually. You're just going to take a brush. This is actually one of my really good painting brushes, but it was what I had on hand. So I'm just going to take a brush and just run some Mod Podge over the fabric, which is your icicle, and take your glitter and just sprinkle it on. And after a while, you'll get a pile of glitter in here, and then you can roll it in and tap off, and then you have your little glittered icicle. I'm going to do a couple more with you. Normally I have a different paintbrush for my Mod Podge, but I don't know where it is. So I am just glittering. I like to glitter in a box so it keeps the glitter somewhat contained. I say somewhat because you can't really contain glitter. I'm just going to tap, tap, tap. And they sparkle on the tree with the Christmas lights. They're really, really pretty. I'll do a couple more with you. So I'm trying really hard not to get glitter in my paintbrush because I'm dipping straight into my Mod Podge. Normally I take glue out and use it for glittering, but I just didn't feel like doing that today. So I'm taking a risk, but it's an okay risk. I have quite a bit of glitter on my thing here, so I'm just gonna roll them in it. And then as well, you can pick up the glitter and sprinkle it on. It is super fine. It is super fine glitter to a point, but it is chunkier. And it's so pretty. So, all right, let's do one more. These are just quick little tips to show you how I create some of the items that I sell in local craft fairs. These are really fun. And I have a bigger size. I made 12-inch size icicles. They're quite long. They're about as long as this skewer. And I had a lady buy some from me the last time, and she didn't buy them for her tree. She bought them for her chandelier. And I thought, oh, that's a cool idea. I never would have thought of that. So to hang from her chandelier. So here are the glittered icicles, as well as I have a bunch of glittered jingle bells. So when you're at a store, sometimes look at things differently, because where we live in the North Country, it's hard to find tiny jingle bells, and what a great idea. And you get more than you would in a package. So that's it. Thanks, guys.